In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Webflow, scroll interaction included. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to update your page's background color right in the Webflow designer. This approach is simple, doesn't require custom code, and works smoothly alongside any scroll interactions you've already set up. First, head to Webflow and open the project and page where you want the change to appear. Make sure you're in the designer view so you can see your canvas, the navigator on the left, and the style panel on the right. If your project has multiple pages, switch to the correct page before you continue so you're styling exactly what you intend. Next, select the body element. You can click directly on the canvas if the body is accessible, or use the navigator to pick the body for this page. Styling the body is important because it defines the default background for the entire page. Keep in mind, if any sections or divs have their own background colors or images, those will sit on top of the body color, which is expected. Also note, in Webflow, you might see a body tag that applies to all pages. If you only want the change on this specific page, make sure you're styling the body of the page you're currently on, not a global style. With the body selected, look to the Style panel on the right and find the Background section. This is where you control the background of the selected element. You'll see a color swatch and related settings. This panel is purpose-built for backgrounds, so if you don't see it, double-check that body is still selected and that you're on the Style tab. Now change the color. Click the color swatch to open the color picker, choose your new color, or paste in a hex value if you have one. As soon as you pick a color, you'll see the entire page update. If you're designing responsively, you can check different breakpoints and fine-tune the color per device if needed. If your page includes scroll interactions like parallax or pinned sections, your new body color will remain as the consistent backdrop behind those animated elements. If you're not seeing much of the body color, it likely means your sections are covering it, which is normal. Consider the body color your canvas behind everything else. Before you wrap up, glance over your text contrast to make sure it stays readable against the new background. A slightly darker or lighter shade can greatly improve accessibility. That's it. You've successfully changed the background in Webflow. Nice work.